everyone, this is Sanjana. Welcome back again. In this video, we will look at the parts of the plant cell. Friends, are you ready? If you are ready, let's get started. Here I have drawn two plant cells. This plant cell is observed under an electron microscope, and this plant cell is observed under a light microscope. Now let's look at the parts of this plant cell. Here we have cell wall, vacuole wall, nucleus and the cytoplasm. Now let's look at the parts of this plant cell. Ribosome, cytoplasm, all the organelles in the plant cell are submerged by the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is located between the cell membrane and the tonoplast. Next we have chloroplast, then cell wall. Here this is the cell sap and this is the tonoplast. Those are the two organs for vacuole wall. Then we have mitochondria. This is Golgi complex. Nucleus and nuclear envelope are the parts of the nucleus. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why do we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because there are ribosomes attached to this endoplasmic reticulum. Next we have the plasma membrane, and this is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We call it the smooth endoplasmic reticulum because there are no ribosomes attached to it. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more valuable science videos like this, please like, share and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye friends and have a nice day.